So the most awaited Android game, that is Fortnite, was released for the Note 9 as well as for other compatible devices. So what's going on guys, this is Carlton here. So in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to install Fortnite on your compatible Android device. So watch till the end because I'll be talking about installing Fortnite on incompatible Android devices. So without wasting much time, let's roll the intro. So guys, to install Fortnite on your compatible device, we move to the link in the description, that is apkgames.com, and after we get there, on the screen you can see here play free now. So we tap on that and then you need to sign up for the invite. Down here below you can see the list of compatible devices which will also support Fortnite Beta, and it will also be in the description box below. Since I do not have any compatible device to show this on other than the one I'm recording with, which is the Galaxy S7, I'll use this phone, which is the Nokia 6, to demonstrate of how to go about installing Fortnite on your compatible device. So after filling all the details, you need to select your compatible device and then you'll receive an email. So you need to go to your mailbox and then all you need to do is tap on get started, and then you move to the Android Beta APK page and then we hit download. After downloading, you need to install the Fortnite installer. Since this isn't a compatible device, I cannot install the game from the official APK. But the procedure would be the same for compatible devices, which would be after installing the installer, you need to download an additional file of about 1 GB. So guys, you might have seen many videos on YouTube giving you fake news about installing Fortnite on your incompatible device. The truth is that most of the modded APKs do not work at all or might lag on devices with old hardware. The best thing to do is wait for the official release of Fortnite so you can actually enjoy lag-free gameplay and stop wasting your time. If your device meets the CPU and GPU requirement, and your device isn't listed in the compatible devices, you can try the APKs in the description box below, but at your own risk since these APKs spoof the Note 9 as the working device. I tried the APKs and got some success by using the modded APKs which spoofed the Note 9 as a working device. But since the hardware of the phone could not compete with the requirements of the game started to lag and it froze finally. So if you have any success with these APKs, do let me know in the comment section down below. So the game almost started on this device, and so if you have a higher spec device, this must actually work but on low settings. So installing Fortnite on Samsung devices, that is the S7 or higher, is pretty easy. To install, you just need to move to Galaxy apps and then install the Fortnite installer, and later on we launch the game, after which we download the additional file. There isn't any waiting list for Galaxy devices and the game runs pretty smoothly with some frame drops here and there, but the game will consistently improve with some new updates being released soon. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, you know what to do. Leave a like if you like this video, share this video if you liked it, and don't forget to share your thoughts and any other difficulties in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more updates. So that's it for today, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, be safe, take care. And while you're here, don't forget to watch my recent videos on this channel.